Hey everybody, we have this awesome Milwaukee M12 set here for sale. There's a total of 4 M12 battery chargers here for sale. There's one Milwaukee M12 red lithium CP 2.0 battery. Then there's this Milwaukee 3/8 drill driver, excellent shape. This Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet wrench. This is a Milwaukee 1/4 inch hex impact driver. And this is a Milwaukee hacksaw saw. If you have any questions, please let us know. All these do work and work exactly as they should. As you can see, the lights lit up right here. Turn it the other way. All these tools do work. If you have any questions, please let us know. This saw does include one blade. These are all M12. There's only one battery included in this set. The battery does work, as you can see. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.